everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita with two E's. I know common spelling is ISHITA, but मेरा थोड़ा डिफरेंट है एंड मैं सबको कमेंट्स में करेक्ट नहीं करना चाहती थी, तो आई थॉट मैं अपनी वीडियोस में ही बोल दिया करूँगी. Now coming back to the video, as you know, I have made a lot of Shein alternatives videos and I'm also shopping from a lot of Indian brands which totally deserve your time and money. And for this video, we have another brand which is called Vivid Artsy. Now, if you're somebody like me जिसने मिंत्रा से बहुत shopping करी हुई है, then you might have heard about this brand. नहीं तो मैं तो हूँ ही बताने के लिए. So this is one of my most trusted brands from Myntra. I have shopped from them and this is a women-led fashion brand. इनकी quality is amazing. Trust me when I say this, they are very affordable and the quality of the product is amazing, like too good for the price that you're paying. And they do have a good range in tops, bottoms and dresses as well. And their main motive or vision is to provide more affordable, trendy clothes which are wearable as well. Like they are appropriate for office and college wear. They do not violate any dress codes as such. Now you can shop for their clothes from Myntra, their own site as well as WhatsApp. They do have their own business account on WhatsApp जिससे आप orders place कर सकते हो. And I feel if you go for the WhatsApp option, they can actually guide you personally regarding their sizing जैसा कि उन्होंने मेरे लिए किया था and which actually proved to be really helpful. So I'm gonna start this haul with one of my favorite tops. I know मैं usually ये थोड़ा end के लिए बचाती हूँ, but I really want to start with this. So this is their rib puffed sleeve top. इसका color is so beautiful. I love this pale green, pastel green या pista green sort of color. I think post lockdowns मुझे pastel shades बहुत पसंद आ रही. If you can't see, I have a purple nail paint as well. इसकी fitting is so good. It hugs me at all the right places and it's not that thick material जिससे मुझे घुटन हो and ना ही it's very thin. And I feel इसका style is something that is so versatile. You can easily style it for office with your formal pants or skirts. और अगर आप college student हो तो you can wear this with your favorite denims and be all casual and trendy. I feel ऐसे pieces are very easy to style and accessorize. Plus they make you look always well dressed. Now this is available on Myntra for 550 something, but if you order through WhatsApp, you get it just for 450 rupees. And trust me, मैंने ऐसे ही बहुत similar top के लिए 800 rupees pay किए थे from a different brand. So 450 में ये top तो बहुत ही अच्छी deal है. Next we have this ruched crop top. This has slightly boxy सा fit and I love the fact that you can adjust the length of it यहाँ से. इसकी भी quality is superb. Like if I can show you, इसका material is so comfortable. It's like a very good cotton blend. It's not your usual cheap tops. Trust me, the minute you wear it, you will feel the difference in the quality. If you're somebody who's in college, I feel if you pair this top with joggers and sneakers, you can easily carry this off for a very good sporty tomboyish look. And this one retails for just 399 rupees. And trust me, for this quality, it's a very good deal. Now this top is also available in black, grey and rust. So yeah, choose your color accordingly. Now since we're talking about crop tops, I'm gonna talk about my favorite crop top, which is this basic knotted crop top. Now I have this exact piece in black जो मैंने last year इसी brand से Myntra से खरीदा था and I have used it so many times and I still love it. I wish वो मेरे पास होता but वो पुणे में है. The reason why I am suggesting कि आप WhatsApp से order करो because I was going to order all of these tops in M because last year मैंने black top भी अपना M size में लिया था and which used to fit me nicely before lockdown, but lockdown में I forgot I have lost some weight, so उन्होंने खुद ही suggest किया कि I think you should go for S and as you can see S fits me perfectly. I love this crop top because it's pretty basic, but जो simple सी एक सामने detailing है the knot one जिससे आपको थोड़ा सा sneak off the upper tummy, it looks so good. It's not very revealing. At the same time, you are wearing a crop top which is so comfortable. Like it's so comfortable to carry and it looks trendy as well. Like I mentioned in the beginning, this brand does very wearable designs which do look trendy as well. Like छोटी-छोटी details होंगी which can actually elevate your look and it's totally worth the price. Next we have this t-shirt which says you are worth it. Wait. Yeah, I love the material. It's very comfortable and also I like the fact that it's not very body hugging, but at the same time my figure doesn't get lost in the t-shirt. Like I'm not really somebody who's very fond of oversized clothing, so yeah, I like this kind of t-shirts. And if you're somebody जिसको coated t-shirts का बहुत शौक है, so this brand has a lot of varieties at very affordable pricing and the quality, like hello. Now the next two tops that I have are appropriate for college going girls or somebody who's looking for comfortable casual clothes. First one is this peach sort of pink v-neck t-shirt with this pocket patch Actually, it's a real pocket. So yeah, the material is so soft. It fits you so nicely. I would say it's not as fitted as the You Are Worth It t-shirt. उससे थोड़ा loose है, but I like the material. It is so comfortable. You can easily wear it for everyday purpose. It is so comfortable. I wish I could make you touch this material. तो आपको समझ में आता है why am I mentioning the material every time? Because every time I touch a top, it feels so soft कि मेरे मुंह से खुद ही निकल जाता है. Now the next one is this bright yellow. Not bright, I would say sort of pastel shade yellow ही है. Quarter sleeve top with these ruffle detailing. This one also comes in a lot of colors. But मैं recently थोड़े bright and pastel shades में experiment कर रही हूँ. So I got this. And I've realized कि yellow doesn't look as bad as I thought it would look on me. So yeah, I feel this with a light blue denim would look amazing. And again, I don't think so I have to mention the quality is amazing. If you're somebody जिसको ruffle detailing पसंद है, I remember this is also available in black variant जिसमें ruffles जो है वो printed है. That also looks amazing. So the next one is my absolute favorite, which is the top that I'm wearing. It is this sort of orange red plus rust का mixture. It's a very basic bodycon body hugging top but with a boat neck. So you know Vivid Vaatsi के सारे tops ऐसे हैं. They look very basic but they will include one or two things ऐसे simple detailing जिससे ये बहुत ही trendy लगते हैं. Like इस top में they have included this neckline, this simple boat neckline, जिससे instantly this looks very elegant and sophisticated. Like अगर ये simple V-neck होता या round neck होता, it would have looked nice because the material is very good and the color looks very attractive. But just this neckline elevates the entire look. I mean, I can wear it with my slim fitted denims, boyfriend denims, printed bottoms, anything, and it would look amazing. I don't think so I have to mention इसका material is so amazing, ultra soft. Because अगर मैं इतनी गर्मी में इसको बैठ के shoot कर पा रही हूँ, so yeah. I have no clue ये कौन सा material, कौन सा cotton blend है, that even their bodycon tops and dresses are so breathable and so comfortable to wear. And this top is only for 475 rupees, guys. मतलब trust me, this is one thing that you definitely need to buy. And the last piece that I have for this haul is a dress. It's this camouflage printed bodycon dress. मैंने actually Independence Day वाले दिन ऐसे try करके पहन लिया था. And my dad, मतलब उनका कुछ बोलने का मन था मुझे देख के, but उन्होंने कुछ बोला नहीं. फिर वो थोड़ा घूम के आया और उसके बाद बोलते हैं कि तो बिल्कुल आर्मी प्रिंट वाली ड्रेस है ना. And trust me, मैंने इसको जब पहली बार पहना, I kept it on for like hours. Not because I was too lazy to change, but because this was so comfortable. I don't know why. I mean, it hugs me and fits me at the right places, but at the same time, it's very comfortable. Again, इस dress में भी they have a simple सा cutout, which actually elevates the look. That is, I feel, what they follow with each of their pieces, and it's brilliant. I mean, you can easily wear this dress without worrying कि it's too short या फिर it's too like strappy dresses में होता है ना कि थोड़ा uncomfortable लगता है. But इस dress में ऐसी कोई दिक्कत भी नहीं होगी. This one is like a basic t-shirt dress, but it's body hugging and looks really flattering. I think I would love to wear it with black boots and my black denim oversized jacket. थोड़ी सी बस ठंडियाँ आने लग जाए, I am definitely wearing this. And with this, we've come to the end of this haul. Let me know आपका favorite item कौन सा था. I think for me it has to be this simple boat neck top and also the puffed sleeve top जो मैंने सबसे पहले दिखाया था. I love it. I love it. I'm sure मैं उसको बहुत पहनने वाली हूँ. इसके अलावा I have to say it, the material, the quality of all of these tops are superb. When you actually buy these products and आप पहली बार उन्हें पहनोगे ना, you will feel the difference. Like same price range में जो बाकी brands provide करते हैं tops, उसमें और इसमें कितना difference है, and trust me, that day you will thank me. So yeah, please show your love to this Made in India brand. This is available on Myntra, on their own site, and you can order through WhatsApp, as I've said. WhatsApp के through आपको ज़्यादा better pricing भी मिल रही है, plus they can guide you personally regarding the sizes as well. I'm gonna flash the WhatsApp number and उनकी सारी social media links in the description box for you to check them out. And if you're somebody who's watching me for the very first time, I hope that you check out my other videos as well. I'm sure you'll like them, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye.
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you.